Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer your Google Pay balance to your bank account. So to transfer your Google Pay balance to your bank account, you need to watch this video till the end. So first of all, if you open your Play Store and go to your Google Play account, you can see your balance right over there. So transferring your Google Play balance directly to your bank account is generally not supported by Google. So, according to Google's official policy, Play Store credits includes those gifts from different kind of gift cards, promotions, or refunds. So these are intended solely for purchases within the Google Play ecosystem and cannot be withdrawn to a bank account or converted to cash. So if you're going to load some balance in your Google Play, you can simply purchase different kind of in-store apps, but you cannot actually convert it into cash format. So you cannot actually transfer your Google Play balance to your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.